What if you could hold the night sky in your hands? Point this viewer toward a light, and look what appears. Stars, patterns, constellations, the same patterns that ancient sailors used to navigate oceans. Tonight they fit in the palm of your hand. Each small hole in the viewer represents a star. The holes are placed in the exact positions of real stars in the sky. When light shines through, the pattern of holes creates the constellation pattern. This is exactly how the real night sky works. Stars are just holes of light against the darkness of space. Long before GPS, before maps, before compasses, sailors crossed oceans using constellations as their guide. Orion the hunter shows the way in winter. Polaris, the North Star, always points north. The Big Dipper, Scorpius, Cassiopeia, ancient stories written permanently in the sky. Here is something amazing. The stars in a constellation are not close to each other. They are millions of light years apart. They just happen to appear in the same direction from Earth. A constellation is not a real grouping. It is a perspective, a picture drawn by our viewpoint from one small planet. Every civilization in history looked up at the same stars. Greeks saw hunters, Indians saw celestial beings, Native Americans saw animals. The stars did not change, the stories changed. And now, with your Constellation Viewer, you hold thousands of years of human wonder in your hands. Look up more often. The universe is showing off, every single night. And the best part? At Ratnanidhi Charitable Trust, we bring exactly this kind of science to life. Hands-on, visual, joyful, and completely free for schools across Mumbai. If you want your students to experience the wonder of science this way, write to us at info@ratnanidhi.org or WhatsApp us at 91360-24400, because every child deserves to fall in love with science. We are Ratnanidhi, and this is what we do.